Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Square stock analysis detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by gathering all relevant financial data for Square Inc. This includes quarterly earnings reports, revenue growth statistics, and profit margins. Next, access reliable financial news sources to gather recent updates about Square's market performance. Analyze Square's business model. Understand how its payment services and software offerings contribute to its revenue. Evaluate key performance metrics. Look at customer growth, transaction volume, and international expansion efforts. Examine industry trends that could impact Square's future. Research the competitive landscape and identify major competitors. Study market analysis reports for insights into industry outlook. Review analyst ratings and price target estimates for Square stock. Determine what factors are driving these ratings. Next, assess Square's valuation. Calculate key metrics such as price to earnings and price to sales ratios. Compare these metrics to industry averages and historical performance. Conduct a technical analysis. Look at price trends and trading volume over different time frames. Identify support and resistance levels. Consider potential risks associated with investing in Square. Evaluate regulatory changes, market volatility, and operational challenges. Create a summarized report of your findings, highlighting key points. Make a recommendation based on your analysis. Decide whether to buy, hold, or sell Square stock based on your conclusions. Finally, review your findings periodically as new data becomes available. Stay updated on Square's performance to adjust your investment strategy accordingly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.